Hi everyone, and welcome to the weekly review of the NZSX50. Firstly, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I know I certainly did. I was travelling. I was hoping to have been able to do some videos for you last week, but unfortunately it just didn't transpire, so I do apologise for that. However, great, we're back on track for a week or two anyway before I head off again. So obviously we're going to take a look at the performance of the NZSX50 for the last couple of weeks, and just that the housekeeping. Remember that this is educational purposes only, certainly not intended for any personalised financial advice. If you're looking for personal advice, by all means go and have a chat to your own financial advisor. So let's take a look and see what's happened. Okay, so I've got the gross index up here for the New Zealand market, being the NZSX50, and really interesting. So I couldn't do the performance last week, which is the second candle here, and the last candle is obviously last week's performance. And you can see that where the dashed line is that's where it closed for both markets. So that's actually really encouraging. The more times that it hits that line there, it's forming what we refer to as a line of resistance. So the more times it hits it, the chances are of it breaking through start gaining potentially more momentum. The only thing that I would comment on is down the bottom. You can see we had very little volume in that over the last week. In fact, what we had only 11 million. Looks like, it hasn't even registered there, but 11 million shares in that trade or transactions, dollar value traded on for the NZSX50 the week before. So we're not seeing a lot of volume. However, that's not surprising. I mean, we've had a couple of days holiday in there as well. So that always has an impact on share trading volumes. But it is encouraging that it's touching that sort of 3,200 point level again for 2 consecutive weeks. We'll just pop a 5-year chart on and just take a look at that. And again, that my dashed line there has come back up, and so it's sort of sitting really close to the highs that we saw back in August, September 2021. So again, like I say, that is encouraging. The only time it's broken higher than that from the last 5 years, we just saw a brief candle back on the week of the 4th of January 2021 that when it briefly broke above, but since then this is where we are. The highs are where we are, which is really good and really encouraging. I will just put the moving averages on just so that we can get an idea as to where they're trading. And remember, I use the 30 exponential moving average, and I also pop on the 15. Right, as you can see here, it's trading well above those moving averages, which is a very good indicator that this market could continue to keep rising. The only other comment I would make is down here with the average trading range or average true range. It looks like the volatility might be dropping off a little bit. So we'll just check to see what that volatility is sitting at. So I just take that figure down the bottom and I divide that by where the market currently is trading at the moment. And so we've got a volatility here of about 1.9%. So that is encouraging. It'll be interesting when I go through and do my research for the week to see if there is any new potential trades available. There certainly hasn't been any for some months, actually. I sort of have been holding all the ones that had given, in my opinion, some decent signals. Actually, just on that as well, remember I do offer a share trading signal service, which is free for the first 30 days. So I'd love you to jump across and join that. If you're not sure where to find it, let me know and I can flick you the link. Let's just quickly take a look at how the market's been performing on a daily basis. I don't base my trades on a day, but I do like to just get an idea and see where it is. So if we look at the moving averages, we can see that the market closed below them here around the 19th of December, only a week or so ago, but then it's quickly rebounded back up. And so that's very good. Very encouraging. In fact, the last 4 candles we can see here, 3 of them have been positive and they've been quite strong candles as well, which is a great indicator. So on that, I hope that's helped. There's sort of not a lot else to report. Obviously, yeah, let's just keep an eye on the market, see what it's going to do, and what transpires. My thing that I've been saying for this year going forward is thriving in 2025, and that let's hope that is exactly what's going to happen with the share market. So remember, if there are any shares that you would like me to review, let me know. Happy to do that for you. And if you come back on Thursday, someone has requested that we look at the warehouse, sorry, WHS. So we're going to take a look at that. And until then, have a super New Year's and obviously stay safe. And we'll see you in 2025. Take care.